Good morning, everyone. This is my 20th layout of base pages, and these here are actually, I forgot that I had layered these together. There was 2 pieces here, 2 pieces here. This is like one of my favoriteest papers, and it's like, and I love this whole thing because I love peaches and purples and greens together. So I have this picture of my first grand, and she's my oldest and my first grand, and then I'm holding her here. So she looks like she was getting pretty drowsy, and here she looks like her eyes are all like she just woke up. So I know this is when my sister was visiting. So I'm going to have these 2, and I think I'm going to arrange them like this. And I had this Making Memories Clear Creations, and they're like transparencies for overlaying, and I've had them for, I think of this 100 years, but it's probably like 24. And I went looking through it because I was trying to find purple and green and peach things. So anyhow, I found these. Oh, and the theme is baby. And so I did find some purple things in here. But what I decided to use was this transparency. Excuse me. And it's, a rectangle. Let's see, can I show it to you? Can I show it to you in an easy way? Let me pull out this piece of paper. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And I gotta wipe it off. Okay, so I decided I was gonna put it on this picture, but it makes a line on her face. So I thought I could put it over here. I think that's really cute. I love the everything on top of there. And so anyhow, I wasn't sure how to put it on. So, I mean, I'm totally winging it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I thought I would use these permanent clear adhesive dots. And so I'm gonna start with 2. And maybe put one behind this flower. Okay, I don't know if you can see what I was doing, but let me put it over this here. And put one over this flower. And I can barely see it on this side, so hopefully that's hiding them enough. And I'm thinking that would probably be enough to do it, because once it's in a plastic sleeve, that should help. Okay, so I'm going to give this a shot. And it's just the size of the picture. Okay, that's working. Okay, and it looks good. I just thought that was a cute little addition. Okay, and let's see, and I'm going to put this over this. Okay, so I think right there. Now I just need to make sure it's straight. I really love doing the base pages, and I will definitely do that when I get too many scraps and not knowing what to do with them. Okay, and then I had gotten this embellishment in the baby swap, and it says "You are loved," so I'm going to use that for my title. It's super cute, little bunny, and I wanted more on it, so I have these little they're flowers from Mintay's, which one? Floral Book 10. And what did I decide I wanted to do with them? Was it like this? I want to do that. I'm trying to think of which way I had it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm hanging the wreath on this corner, and then on this corner of the little hexagons. And I covered up that one flower, but that's okay. Oh, and this is by Shannon Keith. Okay. That was when I got this probably before I even got to know her, and then now it's like I watch her all the time. She makes awesome embellishments. And I'm going to go ahead and tape right over it like this. Okay, I really love that. And then I had found these, and again, they're super old. This one says "cute as a button" on this side, and this has the buttons, and it's got the purple, so that's what I've just went looking for purple things. And that might be how come I had these scraps left over for so long, because it's really hard to find purple stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up here. And I'm just gonna, I think I want it even, but let me see if I can still put my other stuff up here. Because I have this teddy bear and another floral. And this, these were just in a kit together. And like I said, I've had them for a real long time. I love purple and green, those colors, and the purple and peach together. So it's like I had purple, but it's, you know, it's pretty hard to find purple things. And I mean, I was scouring through everything trying to find purple things. And I thought, this is why I never use this paper, because I just couldn't find anything. Okay, and I put another one of the wreaths on this little bear. So I've got a rabbit and a bear. And then I'll put some journaling and a title there. Well, that's not a title, the date. Journaling and a date there. Because I know it was when my sister came, so I'll get that information. But my husband goes, "Who's that, your sister?" I'm always tricking him with our pictures. Because during some part of our life, we look alike. So then I decided I would do these. Actually, these are really pretty too. But I like these ones. They're green and they look like water dots. And so I'm going to use some of them. Love the color of these. Yeah, I could not believe how very few purple baby things. It's like if it wasn't for Shannon's little embellishment and these little really old embellishments, I wouldn't have had anything. Okay, and I only have 2 left, so I'm on a quest to use them. I have 2 little white ones left, and it's like, okay, I've got to find, hopefully I bought the same ones so I can figure out how to use them. Okay, so that's it for today, and the last day of the month I squeaked in and got these 20 done. And I was trying to do the little budget thing, but I just, being sick, it was like all I could do was just do this where I had something that was half done. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. In the drop down menu, I have everybody who is playing, and also the link where you can go over to see everybody who's been doing this with their, you can just go right from one to another. So again, have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow, and it'll be a whole another month. Can you believe it? Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.